Dear Creator of all that is, beings of love and light, angels, guides, and guardians, ephemerals all, here we are in this beautiful cosmic soup and on different vibrational frequencies with different perspectives, contracts, and means of achieving our freedom in this incarnation. We are each a unique individual, experiencing, creating, and co-creating, each and together. Here now, we ask for our most effective and authentic selves to be directed to our goal of liberation from the slavery and trafficking of people worldwide, that corruption and selfish gain no longer adversely affect us, nor our beloved planet and orbs beyond. We ask that we may all resonate in harmony, no longer deceived or manipulated by those who intend us harm. We know we are here for purpose, that we are one. We ask that you grant us patience in our sometimes desperate need to be free of the darkness that presses in on us. For we know that patience is a virtue, that having virtue is a sign of good moral being, that as good moral beings we have the power to overcome evil and change the world. We are here for that. We are that force for good. We are, and we are in the great I am. Let it be so, and so it is.
My name's Ron Vroman. I'm the old white man talking head for the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly. May I have a discussion about Article 3, the one Supreme Court claiming original jurisdiction, where a man can find remedy against the state constitutionally. Have you ever attempted to locate that court? Mukini 303 declares any court whose name begins with the United States is not an Article 3 court. That's all of them that the de facto has to offer. There is the United States of America styled in the Confederation and Perpetual Union's articles. Their Constitution created the United States of Washington District of Columbia, a management service government unincorporated entity with 23 enumerated responsibilities. It has been usurped by martial law Libre Code FEMA, a color of law de facto incorporated governance, illegal or illegitimate, bankrupt U.S. Inc. in some form since March 1861, except on Oregon. There are two legal and lawful names, the United States of America and the United States. Any other iteration, such as United States of America, is fraud or deception or ignorance, in any case not true. The last lawful iteration was 1859, when Oregon became one of the several states in our union. All previous iterations are artifacts, just as it was designed. And I yield.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying. Then he jumps out of the car. And he's got both his hands up. And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, just shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, they shot him 3 more times.